Hello folks, my name is rWhite with BISH'S RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a DRV Mobile Suites. It's a 39 DBRS3. We're going to go inside and take a look at some of the features inside, and then we'll come back to the outside. As we walk in the entry door, first thing you notice is it does have a half bath. And your washer and dryer is down on the lower level, which is really convenient to have. It's got great accent lighting. It's got a window in the bath. You've got linen storage above the washer and dryer. Great floor plan. In your galley, of course, you've got a full-size residential refrigerator, microwave convection oven, and it does have the full-size residential stove. You could actually cook a turkey in this. Great. It does have large, oversized stainless steel sinks. They are the double sinks with the large one up front. Great hardware in your kitchen. Also, you do have a dishwasher here. It's got a nice flat screen TV, the nice fireplace, electric heater, your sofa, your sleeper sofa, and then entertainment seating or theater seating for your TV. Also has the soundbar with the TV. Has the buffet style pull-out dining room table. Notice the cabinetry is the white. It's available in a couple colors, but this has been very popular. Great storage in your galley. Just point out a little bit of it here. Of course, all your drawers and cabinets, or the self-closing, does have your pull-out tray here. Storage big enough. Put an air fryer or something in there. It's great storage. As I said, all your drawers are self-closing. It's got a lot of drawers in it. Let's go upstairs here, take a look at the upstairs. It's called a DB because it's a double bathroom. And of course, with the large front bathroom, you have your master suite right here. Notice you've got windows on each side of the bed. Nice king-size bed. You've got your second TV. A lot of storage here, and these drawers are fairly deep. Nice ambiance lighting on your slide-out panels. And as we walk into the front bath, you've got the double vanity, the double sinks. Nice menace cabinet. Of course, porcelain toilet. Nice walk-in shower with a fold-down seat. Fantastic fan up above. Your front closet is huge. It's a walk-in closet. It's got storage back here, safe. Your hanging rod here. And another set of drawers here. So you've got just tons of storage. It is a great coach, folks. We'd love to have you come in and take a look at it. Right now, our DRV Mobile Suites inventory is very good. If you have any questions, I want you to feel comfortable and give me a call on my personal cell. That number is 541-521-8914. We'll take a look at the exterior real quick, and then we'll let you go. Of course, it does have the full level up system on it. Take a look at your storage. This is great storage. One of the things that DRV is famous for, I want to show you real quickly. A lot of manufacturers make it almost impossible to get into this area. It's kind of what some people have always called the rat's nest, but this is so nicely laid out, and you've got your manifolds that are easy shut off for each independent water line. Just very, very nice. Of course, it's got electric power cord, large propane tanks. Folks, if you have any questions, please give me a call. Once again, rWhite, we appreciate your time.